GetTransfer Travel App Review. Usage Experience. Links to the GetTransfer app and related services are in the description. GetTransfer is a global transportation app designed to make booking airport transfers, taxis, and private rides simple and stress-free for travelers. Whether you're arriving in a new city, heading to a business meeting, or just need a comfortable ride to your hotel, GetTransfer helps you find the best private transport options at competitive prices. One of the app's standout features is its easy-to-use interface, which allows you to search for transfers based on your pickup location, destination, and travel date. You can choose from a variety of options, including private cars, vans, minibuses, and even luxury vehicles for a more premium experience. GetTransfer also lets you filter results based on your preferences, like vehicle type, number of passengers, and price range. GetTransfer is great for travelers who want to avoid the hassle of public transport or the unpredictability of local taxis. It offers the convenience of pre-booking rides, so you can avoid the stress of finding transport upon arrival. Additionally, the app gives you instant price quotes, letting you compare prices and choose the best option. Another key feature is 24/7 customer support. If there's an issue with your transfer, you can reach out to their team directly through the app, and they'll assist you promptly. The app also includes real-time tracking of your driver's location and estimated arrival time, making it easy to track your ride and stay updated. GetTransfer is designed for any traveler looking for reliable, affordable, and comfortable transportation. It's especially useful for business travelers, families, and tourists who need a smooth, safe, and convenient ride to or from the airport or other destinations. The app is free to download with pricing based on the service you select. In conclusion, GetTransfer offers a seamless travel experience, allowing you to easily book transfers in advance and enjoy a stress-free journey. If you're tired of dealing with last-minute transport headaches, GetTransfer is a solid solution to simplify your travel logistics. Download it today and start booking your rides.